Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to get your address on Binance. First, log in to your Binance account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the wallet section. From there, select Fiat and Spot to see an overview of your assets. This is where you'll begin the process of finding your specific cryptocurrency deposit addresses. It's a straightforward process designed for ease of use. Next, locate the specific cryptocurrency you want to deposit. For example, if you're looking for your Bitcoin address, find Bitcoin in your list of assets. Then, click on the deposit button associated with that particular coin. This action will take you to a new page dedicated to that cryptocurrency's deposit information, including its unique address. On the deposit page, it's crucial to select the correct network. Different cryptocurrencies may have multiple networks, so ensure you pick the one compatible with your sending platform. Once the network is chosen, your unique deposit address will appear. You can copy this address directly or use the provided QR code for a quick and accurate transfer. Double-check everything before proceeding. Remember, always double-check the network you've selected to avoid losing funds. Only send the specific cryptocurrency to its corresponding address. Sending a different coin to the wrong address can result in permanent loss. For larger transactions, consider sending a small test amount first to ensure everything works correctly. This simple step can save you from potential issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.